So we have to understand integration of the form f of x plus x times f dash x. Okay, so try to digest this form. Okay, so first we will be writing a function, and then we will be writing differentiation of that function. But apart from that differentiation of that function, we will have x associated with that. Okay, then you can directly write down the integration of this function as x times f of x plus integration constant c. Okay, so you have to handle this situation. Now the point is, they will be giving you f of x, they will be giving you f dash x, and you have to create situation for x. Okay, and then respond accordingly. For example, we have taken some illustration into this category. So look at this. So you know that directly we cannot connect with the given topic. So what we will do, I will suggest you guys to think about integration of sine ln x. You know that we have formula, I mean we have integration of sine x, but we don't have formula for sine ln x. If we will take this thing as z, okay, so if you will take ln x as z, sorry, so dz by dx will become what? 1 by x. Okay, so dz equals to dx by x. So you don't have x anywhere, correct? So you cannot take that thing as z. So what we will do, look at this. So this idea fails. Now look at this. If you'll observe the first function, sine. So what is the differentiation of sine? Cos. So if we will consider the first function, second function becomes its differentiation. Or if you will consider cos ln x as the first function, its differentiation will become sine, but that has to be associated with minus. Okay, then only you can say it is differentiation. So you cannot use cos ln x as the function because its differentiation is not available. So what I will suggest you guys, just for time being, consider sine ln x as z. Now go with the differentiation. So dz by dx will become cos of ln x, and then differentiation of ln x is x. Now 100% means if you will differentiate sine ln x, you will have some part of cos ln x, but that x is missing, correct na? So what you have to do, you have to create x. So if you don't mind, look at this. Sine ln x plus cos ln x dx. Now look at this part. Can I write this thing and this thing? And look at the beauty. This thing is the function, and if you will observe this function, so the box is the differentiation of this bubble, and x is associated with that. Okay, so we have created x and we have created f dash x. So directly can we write that the integration of the given function will become x times sine ln x plus integration constant c. Okay, I hope you got the idea, you got the approach, and hopefully if you will find these kind of questions, you can respond accordingly.